Hello and welcome again to MrTechReviewers. Sorry we haven't made a video in quite a long time now. Summer's been busy, we've all been on vacation, and so I finally come with you with another Skull Candy headphone unboxing, this time the JIB's white and black version. So these are similar to the dubs. They're entry-level in-ear headphones for the budget-minded shopper. So they were $9.99 from Fred Meyer. Should be $9.99 MSRP everywhere. So without further ado, let's get started with unboxing. Got my scissors here. Sorry for the messy desk. Haven't been cleaning it this whole summer. Got that. So these headphones do come with an extra pair of earbuds, as you can see on the bottom of the packaging. So let me just get the plastic part. Alright. Oh, that came out pretty well. This whole thing just exploded. So here are the headphones themselves. This end has the iconic Skull Candy logo. I don't know if you guys can see. Turn on the light. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see. This is just a silver-plated 3.5mm connector. They tied this in, I guess, a little band. Okay, so this cord. Let me see the specifications on this. So it has two sizes: clean, crisp highs, and unruly bass. That's what Skull Candy's claiming. That's not what I'm claiming. It's on their packaging. Oh, it also comes with a. This looks like a manual, I guess. Oh, it comes with a stencil. You can stencil it on your snowboard, someone's head, or a cat. So that's pretty cool. There's the stencil cut out of the skull. So listen responsibly so you don't go deaf. And you can join the Skull Candy community on Twitter, Facebook, and Skull Candy TV. There's also the free Skull Candy app at skullcandy.com/app. There's giveaways according to this, and I don't think this comes with a warranty. It doesn't say anything about a warranty, but yeah, it doesn't really say anything about a warranty. So the cord length is 1.2 meters, so that's about 3.5 feet. It's pretty nice, and it's a 3.5mm nickel-plated connector. And the frequency response is 20 to 20 kHz. So yeah, thanks for watching part 1. I'll have a part 2 where I'll be talking to you guys about the sound quality of these. I'll be testing, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, guys. This has been a quick unboxing of the Skull Candy JIBs. This is Kevin on behalf of MrTechReviewers signing out. Peace, guys. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.